Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're uncovering some powerful investment secrets that can help make your children rich and secure their financial future. Secret number one: how to give your kid a credit score of over 700 before the age of 18. It might sound impossible, but it's actually quite simple. You can add your child as an authorized user on your credit card. This allows them to benefit from your positive credit history without them having to use the card. Just make sure you maintain a low balance and pay your bills on time. This way, they'll start building their credit score early, setting them up for future financial success. Moving on to secret number two: the best investment account to fund college is a 529 college savings plan. Is one of the best options out there. It allows your money to grow tax-free, and withdrawals for qualified education expenses are also tax-free. Plus, many states offer tax deductions for contributions. Start contributing early and watch that money grow as your child prepares for college. Secret number three: why your kids need a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is a fantastic way for your children to start investing early. If they have earned income, they can contribute to a Roth IRA, and the money grows tax free. The best part: when they withdraw it in retirement, it's also tax free. This can lead to a significant amount of savings over time, especially with the power of compound interest. So, if your child has a summer job or earns money from a side hustle, encourage them to open a Roth IRA and start contributing as soon as possible. It's a gift that keeps on giving. And finally, secret number four: what's a trust fund? A trust fund is a legal entity that holds assets for the benefit of your children. It can be a powerful tool for wealth management and protection. By setting up a trust fund, you can dictate how and when your children receive their inheritance, ensuring they are financially secure and responsible. Plus, it can help minimize estate taxes and protect assets from creditors. It's a smart way to pass down wealth across generations. So, there you have it. Four powerful ways to help make your children rich and set them on the path of generational wealth. Remember, it's not just about the money, it's about instilling values and knowledge that will last a lifetime. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other parents who might benefit from these tips. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on financial literacy and wealth building strategies.